Guys, guess what? You know how it snowed? Look at the empty shelves. I think because it snowed, they weren't able to stock up on stuff. The others don't seem that empty though. This one's the most empty. And yeah. No! I don't like sauerkraut.
Why is this the one thing they actually have?
Yeah, why does that have to be the one thing in this whole hour they actually have? It's kind of empty here. So empty over there also. Probably here. Empty, yes. Empty. Gold spot. More box spots. They don't have that much stuff. Ever since it started snowing. The cereal has been running out, if you don't see. Okay. Let's go this way. Empty.
I love my life.
Let's get this one.
Wait. This one. What about that one?
I want this one. Also get this. Let's go. Okay, we're going back. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me, and just barely. Go. So these are very empty. It's empty, and yeah. Look at these all, they're so empty. Probably because they haven't been able to come here. Oh gosh, that made me dizzy. This is empty. This is empty. This. The bananas. No bananas for us today.
Just look for bed.
Oh, I can't get them. Empty and empty. We're running up here. Favorite of the ships. And to see that's empty, that's empty, that's empty. I will get butter. The others are tired. I found out. Oh, okay. Aren't those? Okay. Okay, well, this is the